Are you looking for the best 120V welders? In this video we will look at some of the best 120V welders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Hobart Handler 140. For its durability and overall design, the Hobart Handler is our editor's choice for the best home 120V MIG welder. From its competitive amperage output, 25 to 140, to its 5-position voltage controls, the Hobart gives you variable functionality and control over your arc, all on a standard 115V household outlet. Both the best MIG welder and one of the best hobbyists welders as well, the Hobart is ideal for a variety of projects, from home repairs and farm duties to bodywork and sheet metal arc projects. It's also great as a gas-shielded wire and flux core welder. Despite its mid-high weight at 65 pounds, you should be able to easily move this welder between projects and get the same stable arc and efficient amperage that Hobart has become known for. Its competitive 5-year warranty ensures that you have a safety net if anything goes wrong on your foreseeable repair projects. For MIG processes in cast iron, copper, titanium, and most of the common alloys, Hobart boasts a stable arc, a mid-range weight, and a heavy-duty clamp and drive system for an industrial-grade performance. At number 2. Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI. One of the best 120V flux core welders on the market, the Forney Easy Weld boasts an extremely competitive price tag to boot. It's one of the lightest models as well, making it ideal for DIY projects around the house, including being one of the best hobbyist welders out there. For a wide range of fabrication and maintenance needs, the Forney Easy Weld boasts infinite voltage and wire feed speed control. In fact, it's one of the best wire feed welders for home use that you can buy. Therefore, the Forney is widely considered an ideal welder for beginners and hobbyists. You'll notice right away when you see its rugged, all-metal case that the Forney Easy Weld is built to withstand being hauled around to different hobbies, garages, and maintenance locations. Of all those listed, it's the easiest to use. It includes an adapter for 15A welding, a ground clamp, and a 12-month warranty. That may not be as long as some of its competitors, but the Forney Easy Weld is built for versatility and sturdiness, so we doubt you'll need it in the first place. At number 3. Hobart Handler 210 MVP MIG Welder. Hobart's second entry on the list is even heavier but no less versatile. It's capable of welding up to 3.8-inch mild steel. It's equipped with a spool gun for aluminum work and is one of the best MIG welders available despite the higher weight and heftier price tag. The Hobart Handler 210 is easy to use and safe to keep as an all-purpose welder around the house. It comes with a diverse array of settings to give amateurs a logical starting point and enough customization options to give experts the room they need to create their own projects. Its safety features are plentiful as well, including a built-in contractor that keeps the wire cold until you're ready to start welding. It's spool gun compatible without any extra controls or adapters to clutter up your garage and make transporting the Hobart more complicated than it needs to be. Despite the heavier weight and steeper price tag than the more novice-level welders on this list like the Forney, the Hobart 201 is still one of the best MIG welders on the market. At number 4. KickingHorse F130 Flux Core Gasless MIG Welder. Another gasless MIG welder at a premium price, the KickingHorse F130 is ideal for welders looking for efficiency. It boasts the lowest weight on the list, at just 10.8 pounds. You can haul the KickingHorse around wherever you need it, to any of your DIY projects, or even to your friend's garage. KickingHorse gives you an advantage over other transformer-based welders with the ability to tune the voltage and wire feed speed independently. This allows you to work out sputtering problems on your project while you're welding. The F130 is proof that the ability to fine-tune the experience doesn't require a hefty price tag. Most impressively, this is the best 120V welder for power consumption considerations, boasting impressively low electricity costs to save you 25% on your power bill relative to a welder of comparable amperage. The most compact welder on the list also doesn't lack standard features like temperature and current sensors and corrosion-proof surface design.